Right, we're looking at Koyunbaba and getting started with the piece. Let's just talk about the tuning, right? So your A bass is the same, your D bass is the same, everything else is different, right? So your G string is an A, an octave higher, and how to get that to sound, right? To think of the octave, or 12th fret, that's your third string open. Your D string, think the 12th fret again, that's your second string. Then we get to the first string. If you get your second string tuned, that's an F, third fret here. Where you normally find a D, that's going to be your first string, right? And D, an octave lower, drop D, is your sixth string. So you basically have a D minor chord, right? Now, as you start, you're going to basically travel with fingers 1 and 3 on the sixth string and fifth string, then 1 and 3 goes to the fifth string and fourth string, then to the fourth string and third string and second string, and second and first string, right? And that's basically the trip that you're making, but you're just spreading it across an arpeggio. So you start by hitting the sixth string open, immediately hammer 3, go with 1 on the fifth string, fourth string open, and then chuck, index and middle, play a third, or basically the second and third string, right? Then you're going to hit the sixth string and fifth string before you hammer, right? Right, and you're still playing the same strings, right? And then you keep on going down, so sixth string, fifth string, fourth string open, hammer, and then your first string. Now, in sequence, right actually in time. Quarter note. And then you move it further down. And you finally get to the first two strings. Hammer and pull. Right? So open, hammer, pull. Then the second string, then the first string open again. And then you travel to the second and third string, then open second. Again, that part. Treble up. And you do it a third time. Then almost like an A major formation, right? Except that you're not on the fourth string and second string, you're on the third string and first string. Right? 2 on, 2 off, 2 back on. By the way, those are on the second fret. And then just do a very long arpeggio with 4 on the fourth fret, pinky on the fourth fret. Now let's actually go ahead and play through that. Time slowly so you can play with me. Ready and set. Slow. Let's try that again. Change our base of operations to the 7th fret. You're making a bar here. Are we still recording? Okay. Right? Your third finger is down here on the 9th fret, right on the first string. Everything else is just your bar. Then your thumb is going to travel on the 5th, 4th, and 3rd string. As you play the first string, you're pinching them, right? Pinch with the first string, the D string. And as you bring your third string into the game, 3 goes back down on the first string, and then your pinky stretches out to the 11th fret. And then 1 is holding the B string, right? Back to 4, and then first string in the bar, right? I know this could be tiring for your bar. You can, as you get used to it, practice with your bar barely on. And then once you are more adept at it, once you actually get this part, go ahead and press your bar in. Remember, bars are so much an issue of not clamping, but using the weight of your arm to get that bar in. And then you do the same thing, but without the bar. Right? So 6th, 5th with 1, 4 with 1, back to 3 with the 3rd string, 1 on the B string, open E string, then open B string, then open G string. Now it's kind of an oxymoron to be calling those strings those names. Those are what we're used to calling them. That's not even what you have in the music, right? And then we're going to move our operation back to the 5th position, again with a bar. Right, so you have your 3rd finger on the 2nd string on the 7th fret. And this time you're going to actually skip over. You're not going to start from the 5th string, your arpeggio. You're going to arpeggio at first all the strings. Then as you do this, well, not open, but 1, 3, 1, it's just kind of a mordant. You're going to use your D string. And then you're going to do it again, right? Then again, as you play the G string and the B string, but you're hammering and hammering on the 3rd string, on the B string, sorry. Then again, without playing any notes. So you're in 3rd position, and then slide back over. So again, so we're in 5th position, bar, D string, and hammer on and pull off. G string and B string, hammer on the B string, and then get to 3rd position. Actually, you do it one more time before you do it. And then 3rd position with open 3rd string, or you can hammer if you want. Then slide over back to the 7th fret. And then it's as easy as going 4th string, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. And then D. Right? And then you're going to move yourself over to 2nd position. 2 and 4 are going to grab the D string and the E string. Then your 3rd string is open, your 2nd string is open. So thumb on ring, index on the 3rd, middle on the 2nd. Your ring finger is going to grab the 1st string, again on the same note, the 4, right? That's actually an A that you're playing. Then 1, just open. Again, 2 and 4, 1, open, and he has you do it twice. Back to the same note, but this time with finger 2, and you're going to make a bar on a 3rd finger. Take a look at how this happens. You're going to pinch between your thumb and your ring finger, then on the next string, G string, index, middle to the 2nd, and back ring finger to the 1st string, and then you're going to move your operation to the 5th fret, and then open D. You're going to find yourself here in 6th position, the G string open, the B string open, and you do the mordant. 2, hammer to 4, back to 2. So 1 on the 1st string, 2 comes up to the 2nd string, open 1st string, open 2nd, open 3rd. Now back to that, we're looking at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th system of the first page. So you're starting on 3rd position, 5th position. Just move up 1 position, open. And then you're making the same type of bar on the 8th fret. And you're going to move forward so that you're in 10th position. Then without bar, you're going to move yourself so that you are here on 11th position. Just the D, the G string open. Now as you play the B string, you do that more than again between 2 and 4. Hammer and pull. Then 1. 1 moves you back to 9th position. And again, same note but with 3. You're in 7th position, hammer. Okay, that last business starting on the bar on the 8th fret. Here's the whole first page.